So let's do another Dollar Tree hack. Okay, so I bought this at Dollar Tree. It's $1.25. Y'all know Dollar Tree ain't $1 no more, okay? I got this for $5. This was $5. You know, I put them in the soapy water. Got the tags off. I got, as you see, let me show you. I have marbles in here. There's pearls in here. And there's those little diamond thingies. Little fake diamonds, you want to call them. So the diamonds, let me show you. The diamonds, I got them from Michael's. They come in a jar. I think they're like $10 for the whole jar, though. You're not gonna use that many in these. Came from Dollar Tree. The bag of pearls came from clear marbles or whatever color you want to use, or depending on what color you're trying to decorate. But my house is white, so clear. Dollar Tree. I think I got about 8 bags of those. Then we're a Dollar Tree as well. So they were all $1. I got this at Dollar Tree. They were $1.25. $1.25 at Michael's. And they were still $1 at Michael's. And then I got the little thing, you know, the styrofoam piece to make them stand. I got that from Dollar Tree as well. But these came from Michael's and they were still $1. We're gonna make a side table lamp. That's what I'm calling it. Sticking to my story. So here we go. This is the bowl. Let me turn so you guys can see. So this is the bowl. We're gonna put this one inside of here. Okay? And then we're gonna fill it up. So here we go. Mind you, I mixed together all the diamond, the pearls, the marbles. Fill it up. Fill it up. When you get halfway there, the light that comes from Dollar Tree, you're gonna stick it down inside of your marbles. All the way around. These are the icicle. Make sure you leave out your switch. And finish putting in your... And then once it's all filled up, as you see, take your plant, stick it down inside of there. Let's just add some extra. Make your own lamps.